Hi everyone. Last but not least, let's go ahead and finish out this problem. This is an example of a homework problem for Chapter 3, and I tried to take you through all the adjusting entries. Remember, an adjusting entry is required for depreciation. An adjusting entry is required for any time we receive money and we haven't truly earned it yet. And an adjusting entry is required for any money if we paid and we haven't truly owed it yet. In other words, we're prepaying. So let's look at the last example here. It's pretty easy. Income tax, recognizing income tax at the end of the period. Remember, we're going to owe income tax. That's part of the thing here. So let's go ahead and we can automatically do income tax payable, right? We're going to credit income tax payable and credit liability. And we're going to create income tax expense because that's what we're trying to recognize, the fact that we owe tax. This is very easy. If you take $28,000, okay, we'll take 28,000. And the easiest way to get the income tax rate is instead of multiplying by 35%, when you're sitting for an exam, whenever you're calculating this, be careful because I think the easiest way to calculate this is to multiply 28,000 times 0.35 instead of doing 35 and then looking for the percent sign. So 28,000 times 0.35 equals 9,800. So we're going to raise expenses by 9,800. Remember, expenses have a normal debit balance. And then this is a liability, so we're going to raise that by $9,800. Okay, and that's simply the 28,000 times the 0.35. It's pretty easy to calculate, basically just recognizing the expense and what you pay. This is, again, trying to be honest with the outside world, saying, hey, we need to make an entry to recognize and tell you that we owe this much in expenses or income tax payable, and we owe this much on our financials. We need to put expenses of $9,800. Hope you found this useful. Please practice these types of problems, not only to finish your homework, but so that you can become good at them. If you don't understand the basics of how you make these adjusting entries, you're going to have a difficult time in this course. Hope you found this not interesting, but I hope you found this, something that helps you as you go through these questions.